Hi guys, good morning. It's already 8:41 and we're going to the beach today. Yay, we're gonna go to the beach and we were supposed to leave by like 7, but we didn't wake up. So we're gonna get breakfast right now. And I already showered and I didn't really shower because we're gonna go to the beach. So I just washed my face and put moisturizer on and then brush my teeth. And then here's my outfit. I have my swimming shorts. Hello! My swimming shorts and then my regatta shirt. That's Ati. Did you eat na? Oh. I'm gonna eat sa. Sige, bye sa. Hello, we just got ready. So, I'm already done brushing my teeth because I ate breakfast. So, here's my outfit. This is my cute bag Kuya gave me. And then my mask. And then my bucket hat from Pat. Thank you, Pat. I love you. And then we're gonna make cardboard because we're gonna stay in the back of the pickup truck. Because we're gonna be a lot. So, I'll just bring for my butt. And kanat lang. We're gonna go down na. Sige. Bye. Hello. We're in the car na. Hello. Here. Here's our setup.
Get the mask!
And we're just sitting on cardboard. Kuya. Asa ba? Shush.
Ito ang game. Ay, picture mo dahil yung game.
Miss Dio. We're here.
Hello, man! Baliktad mo na!
Di man.
Baliktad ang earring!
Sa eating. Ay, okay. Peppa.
Papa Pig!
We're here.
Papa Pig!
Peppa
Hi,
Pig.
I'm Papa Pig!
Yeah, we're here.
Mana? Wala na how?
Hello. Nahigda na.
Yeah, he's sleeping! You sleeping?
Yeah, we're
Tingdog na ka!
Okay, we're gonna go. Hello. Kati's here. I want to show you the beach later. Bye. Here, the beach here. This is our cottage. Hello. Here. Look at that. It's still low tide right now, so we're just gonna wait for the high tide. They're already swimming. The kids. Hold on. That's my kuya there sitting down. Okay, I'll be back sa. Bye-bye. Stefan, say hi. Hello.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Yeah, we have food. So this is the rice. Lumpia Shanghai, shrimp, I can't eat that. Palabok, chicken, and then our lechon. It's so cute. Same with your old one. They are. Maya. I just need a small bowl. Oh, they're making sun. Yeah. Ay, hindi yung kid. Hello, limutan mo yun. My God, your face. Your face. No one shot. Good. Hello. She's smart. Can you see a crab? Not a crab. Hi. Asa ba?
Shake.
Matay na. Tabuni. Mahugaw ang hala. Nahugaw na. It's a cute lechon. So cute. Look at Smart. Hi, Smart. Ace is there. Hi. Smart. We're done eating na. Hello. Sa Sir Papa. Kasi ka sa larger pa.
Sama akong baso ani. Isa ni mo ni pa.
Boss. Nya. Siya. Ace!
Libo ka es.
Ace, ligo!
Maligo na siya.
Alangan. Peppa Pig. Ligo ko sa siya. Anya na ligo.
Daw, umalis papa daw.
Hindi ka pa.
Nya na mga alas.
Cute. So cute.
Suggestion for Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
Hi guys, we just got home. It's already 6:04 and I don't really know what to do. We just ate I just ate cake. I ate the Christmas cake we had, and then I think we're gonna eat dinner in a couple minutes. It's already 6. So I don't know. Musta? That's all sa. Sige, I'll be back. Bye. Just eating dinner. So cute.